Welcome back to the ffbmd channel. Now, as my employee Get Philly and Get Handler have got a job in their own country with 1000 hike in their salary. So, there now this lecture will be completed by me. So, today I will talk about the points of computer, some important point regarding computer. That is the point to be noted in computer system. First point is the term hardware refers to the physical devices of a computer system. Thus, input storage, processing control, and output devices are hardware. The term software refers to a collection of programs and associated documents. A program is a sequence of instructions written in a language understood by a computer. It controls a computer's processing activity, and the computer performs precisely what the program wants it to do. A software package is a group of programs that solve a specific problems or perform a specific type of job. Hardware and software of a computer must work together for the computer to produce useful output. Both hardware and software are necessary for a computer to do useful jobs. A few examples of system software are operating systems, programming language translators, utility programs, performance monitoring software, and communication software. A few examples of application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, graphics software, personal assistant software, educational software, and entertainment software. Firmware is software substituted for hardware and stored in a read-only memory chip, that is ROM chip. We classify most software into two categories: system software and application software. System software is a set of one or more programs which controls the operation and or exceeds the processing capability of a computer system. While application software is a set of one or more programs which solves a specific problems or does a specific task. Next point. To ensure that the instruction of a program are appropriate for problem at hand and in correct sequence, we must plan the program before writing it. The term algorithm refers to the logic of a program. It is a step-by-step description of how to arrive at a solution to a given problem. You see, today is a foggy day, but don't worry. Let's know about the computer notes. That is important points regarding computers. An algorithm represented in the form of a programming language is a program. Hence, any program is an algorithm, but the reverse is not true. Programmers often use flowcharts, decision tables, and pseudocodes for representing algorithms. This helps them in developing effective and correct algorithms for their programs before coding them in programming language. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. Programmers often use it as a program planning tool for visually organizing a sequence of steps necessary to solve a problem using a computer. Pseudocode is a program planning tool that allows programmers to plan program logic by writing program instruction in natural language such as English. A structured program is a more scientific approach to solving a programming problem by using only three basic logics or control structures, namely sequence logic, selection logic, and iteration or looping logic. Structured programming helps in producing programs that are easy to understand and maintain. It also helps in reducing program errors and the time spent in a program testing. We use selection logic for selecting a path out of two or more paths in a program logic. It uses three control structures called if then else, and case. We use sequence logic for performing instruction one after another in a sequence. We use iteration or looping logic for producing loops in a program logic when we need to execute one or more instructions several times depending on some condition. It uses two control structures called do while and repeat until.